Hi, good evening friends. This is my third lecture in game theory and we are going to deal with a mixed strategy problem based on the analytical method. Before going directly to the analytical method, the problem given first we have to solve it by the pure strategy pure strategy method. If we are not going to get any of the saddle point in a pure strategy method, then we have to move to the mixed strategy problem. We need to solve by any of the these three method, that is analytical method or graphical method or dominance principle. If in a given matrix it is in a form of in a 2 into 2 form, then you have to solve it by the analytical method. So let's solve in a problem. So the problem given is solve in a game and determine the optimum strategy and the value of the game. Here the given matrix is in a form of in a 2 into 2 form. So first we need to find step 1 will be to finding in a saddle point. Step 1 finding in a saddle point. So let's find a saddle point. Write the matrix as it is given. 8 minus 3 minus 3 1 is b1 b2 a1 a2. Find in a row minimum. Here in the first row it is minus 3, make it circle. Here also make it circle. In the second row the minimum value is of minus 3, make it circle here also. So any of max value here will be any of these two can be. Okay, now find in a maximum value of the column max value. Okay, in the first column you are having the maximum value as a 8, so make it as a rectangle. In the second column you are having maximum value as 1, make it rectangle and rectangle. Here the minimum value is your 1, so minimum value that is we denoted by v bar is your 1. Since we are not going to since we haven't got the end of the saddle point, so we can't solve it, so we haven't got the answer of original value of the game, so we have to move to the mixed, solving it by the mixed strategy method. So there is no saddle point, so solving it by analytical method. Analytical method. For solving it by the analytical method, first we need to form the format. What will be format? Format a1 a2. There will be no change in a format. Okay, a b c and d. It will be b1 and b2. Write the given matrix here so that we can easily compare. It is 8 minus 3 and 1, and we need to find the optimum strategy. So the format for optimum strategy, G for player a1 a2, these are p1 p2 SA. Okay, optimum strategy for player A. For optimum strategy, G for B is B1 B2 is denoted by Q1 and Q2 is B. So we are having a number of formula to solve it. So for the optimum strategy for A, so P1 for player 1, it is given by D minus C divided by A plus D minus B plus C. So compare it and get the values. So D, comparing this, we got A1 minus C value is your minus 3 divided by A plus D. A is your 8, A8 plus D is my 1 minus B value, comparing we are getting minus 3 plus b plus c. So c value is minus 3, so minus 3. Solve it. You are going to get the answer as a 4 divided by 9, 15. P1 is of 15. And for finding in a P2, directly write, we know P1 plus P2 is 1. So P2 is 1 minus P1 is equal to 1 minus 4 by 15. So P2 is your 11 by 15. This is your P2. This is my P1. Okay. Now for Q1. For Q1 you are having formula D minus B divided by A plus D. In the denominator, in all the cases will be same. So A plus D minus B plus C. Okay. Now compare it and get in a Q1. So D value is 1 minus B value minus 3. Okay. Divided by A value is 8 plus D value 1 minus B value minus 3 plus minus 3. So Q1 also you are going to get 3, 1, 4, 9, 6 and 15. Same thing you are going to get Q1. Same thing for Q2. For Q2, same thing you need to know the formula. Q1 plus Q2 must be equal to 1. So Q2 is your 1 minus Q1. So 1 minus 4 by 15. Q2 is your 11 by 15. Okay. Now you need to find the value of the game. Value of game denoted by V. Okay. So it is formula is given by AD minus BC. Okay, A plus D minus B plus C. For value of the game, since in the denominator all the components are same, in case of value of the game, just you multiply it in the numerator. Easy to remember it. So value of the game will be AD. A is your 8 into D value 1 minus B value minus 3 into C value is minus, C value again minus 3 divided by A plus D. A plus D is your 8 plus 1 minus B plus C. B is minus 3, and C is minus 3. So minus 3 plus minus 3. So you are going to get value of the game as 8 minus 9. Okay, divided by, it will be 15. So minus 1 by 15. So the value of the game is your minus 1 by 15, and this is the answer. I hope you enjoyed. Okay, thank you.